is DT. So, as y'all can tell by the title, this is part 2 of my slime without glue challenge. So, I took it out of the freezer. It's been over 2 hours now. And this is, I don't know if you can see, but it's really not slime actually. And it looked like it shrunk. Didn't it look like it was supposed to be like right here? And then it just went sunk. I mean, it's watery. Look, it's so watery. It's worse than I ever thought it would be. So watery. This did not work. Epic fail. Sorry for you guys. And stay tuned because I'm doing a prank on my brothers. So, yeah. This did not work. This was an epic fail. I'll make slime later today, maybe. But that did not work. That was an epic fail. I made slime at 6. I thought it was going to freeze up, actually. The slime that I made it at 4 o'clock, right? And right now it is 6:30. So basically, it's been 3 hours. So I made it at 4. Oh yeah, I made it at 4, and now it's 6:30. So 4. That was 2 hours ago. I made it at 4, and now it's 6:30. That was 2 hours ago. Left it in there for 2 hours. I thought hopefully it was gonna fill up. So today, I'm just gonna be pranking, and stay tuned for those videos. Make sure y'all, before y'all watch this video, make sure y'all go watch part 2. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in my next video. But before I see y'all in my next video, I'm just gonna take you guys off here. Hold on. So you guys, here. Anyways, you guys, peace, like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys will stay tuned for more videos.